Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products. And the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Extreme Glow Strong Whitening Serum. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thanks. Extreme Glow Whitening Serum is a hydrating, lightweight body serum that smoothens the complexion while reducing the appearance of pigmented marks. This product synergistically targets hyper-pigmentation and dark marks, thereby fading the appearance of discolorations, reversing signs of premature aging and making skin tone look brighter and radiant. It also features ingredients such as veg-clarin that are active and fight against hyperpigmentation problems of the skin such as scars, pregnancy and acne marks, age spots, and sun patches. It also softens and revitalizes the skin. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.